Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to tell our conversation. My name's Nusrat Sara of class 6.
And my name's Amina Akhtar of class 6.
I'm a bookseller.
And I'm a customer. This is time.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning. How can I help you?
Walaikum assalam. Good morning. Can I have a book?
Of course. Which book are you looking for?
I'm seeking a copy of GSC English Model Questions.
Okay, but which publishers do you prefer?
I think the lectures book is preferable. How much does it cost?
It's Taka 120 only.
Okay, 120 taka and pack it up.
Okay, come again.
See you next. Thanks to all everyone for your close attention.
Assalamu